20 years ago. A young mother gave birth to a beautiful baby girl, somewhere down east of San Juan and west of Santo Domingo. All of the gold of the world is what she was worth. Once born it was said that angels would follow her wherever she would go. Together they sailed up the North Atlantic Ocean and far across the Sargasso Sea. As the ocean winds were blowing, they were blowing straight towards me. For a brand new start, the sea did part as the angels prayed for her return. While sitting in the dark awaiting her change of heart, inside the church the candles still burn. When the angels tried to follow, they searched for but could not find her. At least that's how the story is told. On top of Pico Duarte the people still speak of their great sorrow, how great things once were, what they once had yet could not hold. Someone told me that if you listen by the ocean, you can hear the island cry, as if reminiscing a final parting without ever saying goodbye. Still others say that when the shores get windy down along the coast of the West Indies, the sky is calling for her to come home. It's been said that when the waves begin crashing, it is the island's way of asking, but did this magical child ever leave her all alone? Yet where I am from, we often say that your loss can be another's gain. Here it is sunny while somewhere there is rain. Let the winds cry, let the ocean sigh, let the angels fly, let the islands say goodbye, for they will never have this girl. Some may point to me and say I steal. Given time, their pain will heal. Love knows no bounds, fate became sealed. I will always know just how I feel. I wouldn't change it for the world.